Vaccine Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Russia's Federal Medical Biological Agency has announced early results from its EnteroMix cancer vaccine, reporting a 100% success rate in shrinking tumors and slowing growth in the first in-human trial. The Phase 1 study began in June 2025 with 48 participants, initially focusing on colorectal cancer. Development programs are also underway in glioblastoma and melanoma. The vaccine is described as customizable to patient RNA and safe for repeated dosing, although exact endpoints have not yet been specified. Pfizer and BioNTech have released data on their LP.8.1-adapted COMIRNATY vaccine. In a Phase 3 cohort of 100 participants, researchers observed at least a fourfold rise in neutralizing titers against the LP.8.1 sublineage by day 14. Participants included older adults and adults with underlying risk conditions, all of whom had prior exposure to the KP2 adapted vaccine. The safety profile was consistent with previous findings, and the companies have submitted the data to the FDA for review. In legal developments, GSK has expanded its patent litigation against Moderna to include the company's next-generation COVID vaccine candidate, mNexspike. The Delaware filing adds to existing claims covering Spikevax and mResvia. GSK alleges infringement of lipid mRNA formulation patents originally inherited from Novartis. Moderna has stated it will contest the claims, expressing confidence in its legal position. An observational analysis published in JAMA suggests that RSV vaccination may lower the risk of all-cause cardiorespiratory hospitalizations among adults aged 60 and older. However, the study found no statistically significant reduction in all-cause cardiovascular hospitalizations. While the authors note potential benefits for heart and lung health, they emphasize that the observational design limits definitive interpretation. Pfizer and Valneva's Lyme disease vaccine is moving closer to a Phase 3 readout. A Phase 2 booster study in 180 volunteers showed sustained high antibody levels with no safety concerns. Final phase. 3 results are expected around the end of this year. If successful, the vaccine could generate annual sales exceeding $1 billion, according to company projections. No human Lyme disease vaccine has been available since 2002. Alzinova has received FDA clearance to begin Phase 2 trials of its Alzheimer's vaccine, ALZ-101. The study will enroll approximately 240 patients with early Alzheimer's disease and will assess cognitive outcomes as the primary endpoint. The decision builds on favorable Phase 1b data, demonstrating safety and immunogenicity. The new trial will evaluate safety, tolerability, and efficacy across multiple sites in the United States. Stay ahead in vaccine research, like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for